more than 4 decades, these metro trains have been part of everyday life across Tyneside. They've carried millions of passengers, become an icon of the region, and now their journey has come to an end. Today we're at Newcastle Airport to witness one of the last journeys of the Class 599 Metro cars. Hello everyone and welcome back to 55 degrees north. So as you can see, this is one of the last Class 599 trains to leave the airport, heading towards South Gosforth at the minute, and I believe it changes across to the South Hilton line. As you can see, we've got the electronic sign with its final destination on from 1980 to 2026, the Class 599. Commemorative Metro tickets which they've been handing out at the platform, handing out these little newspapers giving you a bit of information about the Metro cars and when they started in 1980 and finishing in June this year 2026. And there's the front, one of the last Class 599s to run, fleet number 4024, and one of the last ever passenger journeys on the Tyne Wear Metro. Be a sad day to see them go. Last time I'll ever ride one, I actually rode one on the first day of service back in 1980 from Haymarket down to Tynemouth, so I had to come on the last day and travel on it for one last time. So as you can see, the last journey's quite busy. People stand at every station, people crowded around the front. So this is approaching South Gosforth, one of its last journeys. This is going to be changing from the green line to the yellow line a bit later on. Just as we're pulling to South Gosforth, you can see one of the new Metro cars on the other platform, the Class 555.
For nap by then I expect. Maybe his hospital call him back.
This is where everybody's got to depart till a bit later on. You see how many people have on it. Would have been the last journey. People making the last journeys for the very last time. You can see how busy it is. We'll head up onto the ramp so we can get a good view of it leaving. And the back carriage was 4050, so people get a good view. This one leaving South Gosforth for the final time. This train's getting ready to depart. One of its last journeys, the doors are now closing. You start to see these metros go after 46 years of service. I remember as a child being very excited to take my first journey on the very first day of service, all the way from Haymarket down to Tynemouth. It's a day I always remember. Stick to my memory. Eventually it will depart. Just holding off. There we go, that goes for the very last time. Leaving South Gosforth. And that's it. It's away. So we'll pick up the other train going the other way very shortly. So we're back at South Gosforth Metro, ready for the next train coming in. which is the last journey around to St James. As you can see, plenty of people waiting for this train to arrive to witness its last journey before they turn out of service altogether, to be replaced by the new Class Pi 5 trains, which will enter service on their own from tomorrow. The last metro from South Gosforth is now approaching the platform. It's just come from the sidings a bit further up the track. You see the amount of people waiting for it. It's coming down the track slowly towards South Gosforth station. We'll get ourselves down there and get on this last metro train. So we're now leaving South Gosforth on its final journey round St James's. We'll have a look at what's going on throughout the journey. This final ride on the old Class 599 Metro cars on its last ever day of service. So we're now approaching Tyne Wear Metro for one last journey of the old metro trains travelling through one of the oldest stations on the network. It's now departing Tyne Wear on its way to St James's for the final time on this last ever day of the old Class 599 Metro cars. So we're now leaving Baker to go over the Baker Viaduct for one last time. So we're now heading over the Baker Viaduct towards Manners. It's a final journey across this viaduct, which opened with one of the later phases where the metro openings didn't actually open when the metro originally ran, because the original metro service was only from Haymarket down to Tynemouth. We can get some good views from up here. So just one final look through the metro carriage on its last ever trip to St James's Metro.
Won't be worth it.
You can see the crowds of people getting photos. The last ever time at St James's Metro.
See the board? I know. What? Out of the way!
Go! You ready, lads? 1, 2, 3!
Everybody getting a bit excited at the Metro's here for the last time. People trying to get in, get the last photos. There you can see the old Metro Class 599. Its very last trip into St James's before it heads back to Sunderland, South Hilton. Then comes back from there towards South Gosforth, where it'll end its service, and that'll be the last ever metro service for the old train forever. And there's one of the new Class 5 metro cars leaving St James's just before the last ever trip for the old Class 599. departing very shortly from St James's for the very last time. Here we go, the last ever Class 5-9 Metro service from St James's Metro. As it disappears down the tunnels for one last time to its final destination. Departure, we come to the end of today's video. It's hard to believe that these iconic Metro cars are at the end of their remarkable careers after decades of serving the North East. For so many people, these trains have been more than just a way to get from A to B, they've been part of daily life. Family trips, holidays and countless memories. Watching them make their final journey is a reminder of just how important they have been to the region. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any favourite memory of travelling on these Metro trains? Let me know down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed coming along on this day's journey, please give the video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow, and subscribe to 55 Degrees North if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on 55 Degrees North.